After receiving the instrument, first take out all the parts. Part contains host, round conduit, base, hood, iPad bracket, power cable. Note: choose the correct plug and push it into the slot. Place the base on the desktop, and then install the circular sleeve on the base. Note: tighten it. Prevent the host from loosening during use. Pass the power cord through the round hole under the base. Then put the base on the table. Then fix the host on the circular sleeve from top to bottom. Note: a slot at the connection between the host and the conduit. Expose the power cord from the card slot, then insert the plug of the power cord into the jack under the host. Next, press the jaw frame down and install it. When installing the hood, need to align the wide side of the hood to the host. The hood will automatically be attached to the host. Then install the iPad on the stand. When installing the iPad stand, align the arrow on the stand with the unlock icon, then rotate to the lock icon. When disassembling the iPad, remove the iPad holder from the main unit by rotating it clockwise, then take the iPad separately from the stand. This is all the installation steps of MEC 10.